Hello my creative friends, it's Jelly Bean. I'm here with another kit today, and this is going to be kit number 103, the basic kit. And this is just some of the basics that you use when you're crafting, some of the things we all need and go to grab for, and a few extra little things. Of course, it's PayPal only, friends and family only, and US only. If you have any questions, make sure and ask before you purchase. I'll try to answer any questions I get down below. If you're interested, please leave a comment below in the comments and leave me your email address and your zip code so I can calculate the shipping and let you know how much it'll be. I always try to ship the cheapest possible. Excuse me. And with that said, let me show you what's in this kit. Again, this is kit number 103. When you're inquiring by email, I need you to let me know which kit number that you're inquiring about. This is the basics, and it's going to be a bunch of basic stuff that we need for crafting. So anyway, again, kit 103. The first thing in the kit, you're going to get 33 of these are the flower centers that you use when you make your flowers. You can use it in, example, I've got the little pearl one in there. You can use them. I'll show you another one here in a minute because I'm going to show you something else too. But you're going to get 33 of these. You're going to get 3 of each one of the colors shown. You're going to get those for your flowers. 33 of those. You're going to get a pack of vials. These are little 4.5 milliliter vials. Just used for maybe a glitter mix or sequins mix, something like that. You're going to get the whole pack of 7 of those. You're going to get 3 of these plastic tubes, and they are 12 inches long, and they are like 5/8 around. They have lids. And the reason I'm putting these in here is because I seen Ida at Created to Create make a wand and use some similar type tubes, and I wanted to be able to offer them to you. I have some that I've had in my stash, and I'm going to share them. So you're going to get 3, and I'm going to show you. I've never made a wand before, but I made one to show you what it looks like with the tube on it. And you can put candy in it, you can put beads in it. I made it and put some bead type deals in it just to show you. But they are 12 inches long. You're going to get 3 of them. And also, I don't have, inside this flower was another piece of the flower inside. See, can you, wait a minute, let me get it in frame here. See inside there, the yellow flower center. That is one of the ones that come in with this. This is one of the gold ones here. But you're going to get, again, 3 of the 12-inch fillable tubes with the lids. Those are really good for the Sizzix candies. This first wand I've ever made. I've never made a wand, and I'm really not a wand person. I don't know what to do with it now that I've made it. Maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. So you're going to get the fillable tubes. You're going to get 2 of these little needle bottles. These are awesome for glitter glue, to put in. They have real long, real small tips. It's a little, there you go. It's a little needle-like with a real tiny hole at the top. It's great for when you're making flowers or need to get up in a little tiny place with just a dot of glue. Those are awesome. You're going to get 2 of those. You're going to get 1 bottle of Premium Craft Gel Glue. I love this stuff. I use it for everything. It dries almost as quick as hot glue and you don't burn your fingers. You're getting a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle of that. You're going to get 2 of these tubes, which are also good for paints and glues. It has the fine tips that you can cut off and make it as small or as big as you need it. You're getting 2 of these bottles. Again, this is the Basics Kit number 103. This is some of this basic stuff you use when crafting, when doing swaps and stuff. I don't know if y'all have seen these before. These are pipettes. They're like the little squeeze tube. You suck up water or glue or whatever you need. These are great when you're doing some mixed media and you've inked stuff and you need a couple drops of water. These are great for that. You're going to get 4 of those. You are going to get, I've thrown some bags in here for the swaps. You're going to get 4 of these pink handled gift bags. These are 5.75 by 4.5 by 2.5. Small little gift bags for your swaps. You're going to get 4 of those. You're going to get 8 of these pink Glassine bags, and these are 5 by 6.5. Get 8 of those. You're going to get 8 of these purple little Glassine bags, purple chevron. Woo, run away. Excuse me again. You're going to get 8 of these, and these are 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. Get 8 of those. You're going to get some, these are some little gold boxes, and you're going to have to assemble them yourself, but I'm going to show you what they are assembled. They are these little, I've got the cover on it. The cover slides off. And these are great for beads and sequins and the little doodads that you send in a swap. It's got 4 compartments, or you can take the little dividers out and you can use the box without the dividers, or you can put the dividers in there. But I have used these a couple times in my swaps to send little beads and little charms, stuff like that. And they're gold, shiny. You get 4 of those unassembled. You have to fold them yourself. You're also going to get 4 of these little brown craft boxes that end up being, when you fold them, let's see, when you fold them, they are 2 1/4 inch square. They're very easy to assemble. You just fold the bottom and the sides. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to bend somebody's box up, but they're real easy. I can't get it to work. I'm trying not to crease the folds. I'm just trying to do it without creasing them, but it just makes a little box that you can decorate and use for your swap. You're going to get 4 of those folded down, so it's cheaper to ship. You'll get 4 like this. You're going to get 3. I didn't have quite enough of these. These are some little, they're cute. They look like little shopping bags when they're folded. And I'm going to try to fold one where you can kind of see what it looks like, but I'm not going to crease the fold lines because I don't have an extra one to do it with. And I don't want to fold someone that's going to order it. I don't want to fold it all up. But let me try. to get it to where it... Yeah. It's not cooperating with me, y'all. There we go. It makes like a little tiny paper shopping bag that you can decorate with a little gusset. It's just cute, see? Just something I thought you could use for your swaps. You're going to get 3 of those folded like that. You're going to get, where am I at? Let's see. I got a list I'm going down so I won't forget anything this time. These are Adhesive Bling, and they are big. They are 3/4 of an inch. They're real shiny. You're going to get 26 of these on this, just like you see here. I'm folding it in half and putting it in a sealable bag. You're going to get this piece of 2 lines with 12 on each line, or yeah, nope, 13 on each line. You're gonna get 26 altogether. But anyway, they are super shiny, blingy. You get all 26 you see here. See how they turn colors? These are awesome. I love these. Alright, you're gonna get those. You're going to get a thank you stamp. Lost my place. This is a rubber stamp that is 4 inches long by 1.5 wide. It's a brand new rubber stamp that says thank you, so you can stamp cards or invoices or whatever you need to stamp thank you on. You can make cards with it, thank you cards. You're gonna get that. And you can't have a stamp without some ink, so I have, these are the 2-inch square ink pads by Studio G. These are really nice ink pads. They are very wet, and you're going to get a black, it says silver, but this is a gray color. It's a muted silver, so you're going to get a silver, a black, and a teal. You're going to get 1 of each one of these. Brand new, they haven't been opened. But you're going to get 1 of each of those. And I actually have 3 of these kits available. So, if you're interested, let me know. These kits have been going really fast here lately. You're going to get a roll of Hercules tape. This is a brand new roll in the pack of 15 foot, and it is the real thin 1/8 of an inch wide. But you're going to get a pack of that. You're going to get a pack of score tape, the double-sided score tape. It is 66 foot long. This is the 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can see, but it's a 1/4 inch wide and 66 feet long. You're going to get that pack. You're going to get these. These are giant glue dots. And I know what you're saying. I don't need those. What do I need those for? I'm going to show you. I made some flowers. I made several. I already showed you this one with the center. And what I did, these are all trims, laces, and ribbons. Well, trims. This is a crochet lace. But anyway, what I did is I rolled it around. If you can see on the back, this is the giant glue dot you're seeing. And see the plastic on it? I can peel this off and I can stick my flower anywhere I want to put it. Now I have a tutorial on YouTube, one of my videos showing how to make these flowers. They're very easy and all of them have it. You see it? Yeah. But you just peel and stick it after you make your flowers. And you just go round and round in a circle on the big glue dot. Now, these have felt with them. This is 6 of them in here. And these are 2.5 inch round. and there's 6, and they have felt. And the felt is for if you had, I forgot to bring a headband, but if you were making a headband, and for example, this was the headband, we're just going to pretend it's usually flat, but you would put your flower, peel it, put your flower on there, and then lay your felt across there so it wouldn't stick in your hair, and you would have a pretty headband for a little girl. But you don't get my flowers, but you will get the pack of 6 giant glue dots with the felt. If you want to use the felt, if you don't, I don't use the felt usually because I'm making flowers. Okay, you're going to get the pack of giant glue dots. You're going to get a pack of glue sticks. These are the mini glue sticks for the mini glue guns for high temp. You're going to get a 20 pack of those. You are going to get a 2 pack of foam brushes. You're going to get 2 of those. These are the small ones that we all usually use. You're also going to get these. These are finger protectors. It saves your fingers from getting burnt with the glue. The hot glue guns, you wear these, you can push down on stuff, and you get a pack of 3 finger protectors. You're going to get those. You're also going to get one of these fine mist squirt bottles. These are awesome. They have a very nice even spray. I don't have water in it because I'm going to send it to you, and I don't want it wet and get yucky, but I have one, but I don't have anything ready to spray. So you're going to get a spray bottle, fine mist spray bottle. It's a very nice fine mist. That is everything in this kit. This kit is going to be $35 plus shipping. You're going to get everything you just seen. If you're interested, please leave a comment below with your PayPal email and your zip code, and I will calculate shipping to your zip code, let you know, and we will go from there. Again, I thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.